today I'm going to show you how to work up the butterfly bodies into your work. This is so that you don't have to do them individually after the work is done anymore. So to get started, you can use any of my butterfly patterns, and right after you finish the round where you do the top part of their wings with the 3 double crochet, we're going to start after that row of work. So to get started, I'm going to work a standing double crochet, and we're going to work, now all of the butterfly on the bottom have cluster stitches, and in between them there's a chain space that's at the back of the work. This could be a chain 2 or a chain 3 space, just depends what pattern it is. We're going to work a double crochet in that chain space. Next we're going to chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now depending on what pattern you're working, you may need to add or decrease the amount of chains you work here. Just want to make sure that it works along evenly with your piece and that it's not too loose or not too tight. Next we're going to work a triple crochet by inserting our hook in the chain space between those groups of 3 double crochet from the back, and we're going to be working in this stitch down here. So insert from the front. Now the best way to see this is to bring that up through here and continue working your triple crochet. Now it looks like it's sandwiched. Don't worry, when you work the next round, I will show you how to do that. It'll keep everything together so that the butterfly body is in place. Next we're going to work a chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oops. 4. So you can work that around with all the butterfly bodies. I'll show you again. We're going to work a double crochet in that chain space at the back between those clusters in the first round of our butterfly. Chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Working a triple crochet from the back through that chain space in the top part of the wings into the stitch between those 2 clusters. We're working a triple crochet. Chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's the little repeat. So I've done that twice, so you can just continue doing that for as many butterflies as you have. And then when you get to a corner, depending on how they're worked, if you're like this and you don't have one in the corner, you'll just do that chain 4, double crochet in this one, and then chain 4 and start in the next one. Alright, so I'm just going to fasten off here with a double crochet, and then I'll just show you quickly how to do the next round of work. So I'm just going to work a couple of stitches depending on what pattern you're working on. There's going to be a certain number of stitches between your butterflies, and then a chain or 2, and then there's always where you would work a single crochet in this chain space between these double crochets. When you do that, make sure to insert your hook into that triple crochet that we worked when doing that single crochet, and it holds everything into place. So depending on how many stitches are here, I'll just do that again. And then when you get to that single crochet in this chain space, make sure to work in that triple crochet. So you can add that to any of my butterfly patterns, so you don't have to work them individually anymore.
For more crochet patterns, tutorials, and yarn shop, please visit my blog, dearestdebbie.com.